Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our Google Arcade challenge, Better Together, part second, last lab, that is creating a streaming data pipeline with Apache Kafka. Okay, before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the previous labs. You can check that on my YouTube channel. The link will be in the description box. हर एक लैब के सॉल्यूशन का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल रहा होगा. आप जाके चेक कर सकते हैं और सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम स्टार्ट दिस लैब. Okay, wait for the page to get loaded. As you can see, there are total 5 tasks that we need to complete, so just wait for the page to get load. After that, click on start lab button. It will provide us the credentials which is required to log in to our Google Cloud Console. You must be familiar with these steps. So simply right click on open Google Console and open it in private window or in incognito mode. It's an important step to open it in incognito mode. अगर आप incognito mode में नहीं खोलेंगे तो आपको problems face करनी पड़ेगी. Email ID will be automatically pasted up, so simply click on next button. It will ask you for the password, so the password is given to us. Password हमें given है, तो password ही है. इसे copy कर लेंगे, copy it, come back to here, paste it here, click on next button. हमने password paste कर दिया, next button पे click कर दिया. Okay, a welcome message will arise. In my case, I directly logged into my Google Cloud Console panel, but if in your case it shows any welcome message or a pop-up of terms and conditions, then simply accept that and click on agree and continue. ये random होता है, किसी किसी को show होता है, किसी किसी को नहीं होता है. फिर भी अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो आपको, तो आप मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, उसमें सब में मैंने एक सेम स्टेप फॉलो किया. ओके, विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, सर्च फॉर द मार्केट प्लेस हेयर, सर्च मार्केट, open it marketplace. Here we need to search for, simply scroll down to the task 1. We need to open a marketplace name as Apache Kafka server. Okay, so copy it, simply copy it, come back to here to the marketplace, paste it in the marketplace and hit enter button. Okay, select the Apache Kafka server on Ubuntu server 20.04, open it. We need to launch this, so simply click on launch button, wait for the page to get loaded. It's loading. Wait for the credentials to be loaded up. Now, once all the things get loaded, simply scroll down, accept the default condition, click on I accept button, click on deploy button and wait for this to get deployed. हमें थोड़ा इंतजार करना है, देखिएगा. Wait for the page to load first. After that I will instruct. It's under the process. Once it's get done, once it's deployed successfully, after that we will proceed with further step. जैसे ये deploy हो जाएगा, उसके बाद हम आगे की process start करेंगे. तो wait करते हैं इसको deploy हो जाने के लिए. Now as you can see, our Kafka 1 has been deployed. अब क्या करना है? Come back to the lab, scroll down, click on check my progress and you will get a green tick here because we deployed the Apache Kafka, okay, which is a VM instance. Our assessment is completed. Now scroll down. We don't need to do anything here. Simply come back to the lab, click on this 3 navigation menu. Here, hover upon compute engine and select VM instances. You will see a virtual machine here. A virtual machine is provided to us automatically. Wait for the page to load it up. There is a virtual machine here. Simply click on SSH button and it will load a terminal for us. हमारे लिए एक terminal open हो जाएगा new tab में. अब थोड़ा सा time लेगा ये terminal connect होने में. So wait for this terminal to get synchronized and connected. Now as you can see, our terminal is loaded up. So simply come back to the lab. हमारा जब terminal load हो जाए, lab पे आना है. Copy this first command cd because we need to change the directory. So open the terminal and paste it here. हमने जो code copy किया है इसे paste करेंगे. Hit enter button. Wait for this. Now come back to here. Scroll down. Copy the next command. This one. Come back to the terminal again. Paste it here and hit enter. Now this command will keep loading and loading. So what we need to do, we need to open one more SSH shell. ये जो command है ये run होता रहेगा. तो क्या करना है, हमें एक नया SSH shell फिर से open करना है. So what we need to do, simply minimize this tab, come back to the console, once again click on SSH shell. हमें फिर से SSH shell पे click करना है, एक नया terminal load हो जाएगा. Okay, so wait for this terminal to get loaded, synchronized. Now our second SSH terminal are also connected. Okay, हमारा जो second वाला terminal था जो open किया था वो load हो चुका है. अब क्या करना है, come back to the lab, scroll down, copy this. Once again we need to cd to the directory. So now this time be careful while switching between the terminals. हमें जो टर्मिनल्स प्रोवाइड है इसमें हमें ध्यान से स्विच करना है. हमें नया वाला टर्मिनल जो ओपन किया उसको ओपन करना है और यहाँ पर पेस्ट करना है कोड. वी नीड टू पेस्ट द कोड इन द न्यू टर्मिनल एंड हिट एंटर बटन. And this code will also keep generating the same output as the second first one. जैसे हमारा फर्स्ट टर्मिनल में अभी तक आउटपुट लोड हो रहा है, वैसे ही सेकंड टर्मिनल में भी हमारा आउटपुट लोड होता रहेगा. तो हमें वेट करना है एंड leave the second terminal also and open the third terminal. What we need to do? Minimize the second terminal, minimize the first terminal also, come back to the cloud shell. Once again click on SSH shell button. हमें फिर से SSH shell button पे क्लिक करना है. फिर से हमारा एक टर्मिनल ओपन होगा. Once again a new terminal will be loaded up. Wait for this terminal to get synchronized and once again we will meet you soon. Now you can see our third SSH terminal is also connected. Once again ये हमारा तीसरा SSH terminal है. तो हमें ध्यान रखना है while switching between the SSH terminals. Okay, now come back to the lab, scroll down, copy this code. We once need to again cd to the next directory. Now open the new terminal, third terminal. जो हमने third terminal open किया उसको select करना है. Select it very carefully, paste it here and hit enter button and we get redirected to the next directory. Okay, now copy the second code, come back to the new terminal, the third one. हमें फिर से ध्यान से switch करना है terminals के बीच में. Paste the next code and hit enter button. You will get the input table. So wait for it to get loaded. Now come back to the lab, copy the third code. Once again open the third terminal, जो हमारा fresh terminal है इसे open करना है. Paste the code here and hit enter button and wait for this command to get run. Now once you are done with that, come back to the lab, click on check my progress and you will get a green tick here also. So wait for it and you will get a green tick. So as you can see, we get a green tick, our assessment is completed. Now copy this next code, come to the terminal, paste it here and hit enter button. Now copy the next code, come back to the terminal, paste it in the terminal and hit enter button. Wait for this code to get run. Now we are done with this task also. Now jump to the task 3, copy this first code, come back to the terminal, paste the command that we copied here, hit enter button and wait for this to get run. Now this command will also keep running. जैसे हमारे last two terminals के command run हो रहे हैं वैसे ही इस terminal का command भी run होता रहेगा. So what we need to do, skip this or just leave this terminal, come back to the Google Cloud Console. Once again click on the SSH shell button. We need to open one more SSH shell. This will be the fourth SSH terminal. So be careful while switching between the terminals. Okay, now wait for this terminal to get synchronized and connected. Now you can see our connected terminal is connected and ये हमारा नया terminal है जो fourth terminal है वो है ये. Come back to the lab, scroll down, copy the first command of the task 4. This will be the last command of this lab. So yes, we are at the end. Now simply switch to the next last terminal which we just freshly opened. जो हमने last terminal create किया है उसको उसमें आना है. Paste the command that we copied and hit enter button. Okay, now wait for this to generate the output. You will get the output like this from this terminal. So simply now come back to the lab, scroll down, click on check my progress and you will get a green tick in the task 4 also. And with this our lab gets completed. So wait for the green tick. Once I get an error, simply just recheck, click on check my progress. As you can see, we get a green tick. मुझे green tick लेने में थोड़ा सा time लगा. It takes some times to get a green tick. Sometimes it throws error. So simply wait and click on check my progress in the gap of 1 to 2 minutes. 2-3 बार ट्राई करिएगा चेक माई प्रोग्रेस पे क्लिक करने का, आपको ग्रीन टिक जरूर मिल जाएगा. मुझे भी थोड़ा टाइम लगा, 2-3 बार मैंने ट्राई किया. तो यस, बी पेशेंट एंड ट्राई विद द गैप ऑफ 1 to 2 minutes. Now once you get the green tick, we are complete with this lab. Simply congratulations. We can click on the end lab button, click on submit button, give the star rating that you want to give. Also you can leave additional comment if you want. Click on submit button, come back to the main page. Wait for the page to get loaded. Now simply scroll down and you will get a green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed our lab. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so you get the instant notification of each and every lab solution I uploaded. And if you have any query, the comment box is always open for you. You can ask me in the comment box और इन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे भी आप मुझसे अपनी कोई भी एरर पूछ सकते हैं, प्रॉब्लम मैं सॉल्व करूंगा. सो यस, make sure you join the telegram group also. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.